Hello and welcome to this video. This time I will share what I made for my bridesmaids as a thank you gift after the wedding. I knew I wanted to make them something myself, so I put together a gift box. I started by making my own candles, and since there is already a video up on how I made those, I will just leave a link for it. Then I wanted to try to make chocolate truffles for the first time. My vision was to give the gift a romantic gothic feel, so I bought molds in the shape of skulls, roses and keys, and used dark white and pink chocolate together with chocolate paint. For the roses, I painted the molds red and then used the pink chocolate with a nougat filling. The keys and locks I painted gold and filled with solid dark chocolate. And lastly, I used white chocolate with a passion fruit filling for the skulls, and also painted the eyes with black food coloring. I am not ready yet to make a full tutorial on how I made these, so see it more as inspiration and take guidance from the pros. I then painted teacups with black porcelain paint and used these transfer papers to print out a pattern that could be applied onto the porcelain. If you want to try these, read up on what printer you need, because ours didn't work, so I needed to go down to my father's job and borrow their laser printer. Also read on your paint bottles for how long the paint needs to cure and at what temperature. I had to do multiple layers before I got the coverage I wanted. The last thing I did was to frame a photo of the 5 of us from the wedding. Then I put together everything in a box that I had lined with fabric and put a ribbon around the box and secured it with a brooch.